Attention shutdown, turnaround, and outage execution teams around the globe. Here is your chance to attend a unique 3-day STO Execution Excellence Workshop in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, October 15th to 17th, 2024, presented by AP Networks, an international leader in heavy industry STO events and capital project integration. When direct resources are turning wrenches and indirect utilization is high, money is set to be invested with measurable value on return. When direct resources are not turning wrenches and indirect utilization is poor, money is said to be burned with no real value, although risk of incident or injury are lower with non-productive time. Direct field labor hours are what we pay for, mobilized headcount. Direct tool time hours are invested in earning planned work. Discover how you can optimize your investment and minimize burn by attending this unique 3-day workshop for STO execution teams. But don't just take our word for it. Here is what a previous attendee had to say about this world-class event, attended in Houston, Texas earlier this year. Download a brochure and register today at www.learning.ap-networks.com. Book early. Class size is limited. We hope to see you there.